The last thing I would want to leave you with is the idea that setting up a business is hell with Dante or Nightmare on Elm Street, and that's something that I don't recommend you. It's a route that I don't recommend you to take. The first thing I've said today is that Spain needs good entrepreneurs, and I know you will be. But you need to be prepared. You need to be rational, and you need to anticipate all of these problems. Now, the good news is that I've experienced them before, and hopefully I've been able to communicate some of them to you today. Now, the bit of optimism I want to leave with you. You know this guy? You know who he is? Richard Branson owns a company named Virgin. That's famous because of its multi-sector profitable activities, but it's also famous for having screwed many times. Now, Virgin Records, does anyone remember Virgin Records? Multi-million businesses had to shut completely. And that's why he's reading about this subject, is that there's a very fine line between success and failure. So that's precisely my point. If you intentáis relativizar la importancia del fracaso, you think to consider the importance of success in a more reasonable manner without becoming paralyzed, which is my point, then you may realize that even if something goes wrong, and even if you have to change direction and do as I did, leave one business, set up another one, it's not the end of the world. Nothing will happen. Money is only money, and even if your business has not been profitable and you've lost some, if you have your resources, you have your brain cells, you will be able to recover all that money that you may have lost previously. Now, the worst that can happen is that you become paralyzed because then your possible or potential loss snowballs. If you're paralyzed and you keep on managing a non-profitable business, then the loss will be higher and higher and higher. And since you're paralyzed, you don't stop it. And it's stupid. That is the main conclusion that I want to leave you with today. Okay?